What's up, everybody? The Roar here, and here I am on Metro. Take a look. Today we're going to do a little ride along on Metro. We're going from Franconia Springfield to King Street, and it is just awesome. Look at all this. It's pretty cool. Take a look at this. This is the train that I'm on. Uh-oh. Take a look at this. I'm the only one on here. It's really cool. I'm also right next to the wheelhouse. I'm actually gonna get, ooh, ouch. I'm actually gonna get some time lapses while I'm on the train. It's gonna be pretty cool. Man, I hope that time lapse comes out all right. So I just want to share with you, I don't have an edited vlog today. I am working on them. I got a whole bunch of footage yesterday. All day I was in DC, and I'm actually taking Metro. I'm going back into DC area. I'm actually going to be in Alexandria or Arlington to get some more footage and things like that, because I want to include them all in the vlog coming up. So hopefully in the next couple of days, or the next couple of days that I post vlogs, which will be like Friday, Monday, Wednesday, all along those. I'm sorry, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday. If you notice, I'm skipping every other day. I think it's more organized for me, and it lets me focus on not only YouTube, but also my other jobs and things that I need to take care of. So that is the reasoning behind that. But next couple of vlogs are going to be pretty good. This editing just takes so long. So I want to thank you for bearing with me on that. Let's take a look at this footage. So right now, coming up on Van Dorn Street, you can probably see, look. So cool. It's one of my favorite things. So this is a ride along on the Metro line, on the blue line on DC Metro. So it'll be pretty cool.
Please move to the center of the car. Step back to allow the doors to close.
How are you? Look. See all the people passing by. It's one of my favorite things to do, is to be on the Metro going into DC. It's just fantastic. There's another train. And we're coming up on rush hour, so trains are now every 5 minutes, every 5 to 6 minutes is what when they go through rush hour, that's how long it usually is. So take a look. Look at that. See that big building way off in the distance? That's the building I was telling you about that was built, it's supposed to be the new Pentagon, because they wanted to start downsizing, but overwhelmingly Congress voted no on that. This was way back in, I think in 2009 or 2010, maybe a little bit earlier than that. Can't see it now, but the building is off in the distance over there. So, but that's it. I just wanted to show you this real quick, show you the footage. It's gonna be a quick vlog. I'm gonna go back tonight. I'm gonna finish editing. I'm gonna try to get 2 vlogs out. As challenging as that is, I'm gonna try. So hopefully on Friday, I'll get the video on the Uline Arena / Washington Coliseum out. And did I tell you they actually told me I could not film there? until I go through the proper resources. So I didn't. I filmed outside, but I'm gonna get that vlog out. I am dead set on that. Here, take a look. Actually, you know what? Excuse me. I'm gonna go further down. The next station is King Street, and that's where I'm getting off of. So let's just get off at King Street, and I'll show you around. Oops. Here, we're actually stopping, so it might take a minute. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna talk to you about something. I am tired of people telling me when I go into some place that I can't film. I understand. I get it. I respect that. I'm not upset at that. But what I'm going to start doing is taking pictures of where I'm at and just putting the pictures in the vlogs. Because to get the footage, to get the actual footage, I have to go into these places and film. And a lot of them are just, they're coming up to me while I'm doing it and saying I can't. So I'm not going to do it anymore. You know, if they tell me not to film, I'm going to stop. But I am going to take pictures and post the pictures online of what I wanted to show you. So, again, I'm just going through this rough patch of people just saying no, no, no. And it's kind of bummed. I'm really bummed about that. But we will prevail. Look at this. Oh, man, we're going in a tunnel. We're going in a tunnel. Look at this. Wow. This is it's unusual to go in a tunnel because all the stations are above ground. So this is like I guess a bypass line? I don't know. I would love to explore Metro more one day. It's so cool. So there's nothing to show you. It's all dark. Alright, here we are. We're at King Street. Look at that. I love this place. Alright. This is where I'm going to leave you. The vlog is going to be over as soon as I step out of the station here. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.